Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today we got another for goat meat pepper soup, and we'll be using one full goat for that. So guys, I'll be showing you guys the recipe now, but before then, let me introduce myself to my new subscribers, to those that will be seeing me for the first time in this video. So guys, my name is Edith if you're here for the first time, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So it's all up here. Okay, you may consider subscribing to my channel. It's free, you're not going to be charged anything for that. And to my old subscribers, my returning viewers, thank you also so much. I'm so happy. Thank you all for always stopping by on my channel. Thank you for always clicking on my videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the good things you do in this channel. So if you are here to subscribe and join the amazing family. All right, so guys, for our goat pepper soup, here are the spices I'll be using for that. Here I have Cameroon pepper grounded, thyme, mevina, curry powder. I'll be using just a little bit of it. I have kitchen glory, Napa Valley. This is the goat spice. I also have some pepper soup spice, but I don't think I'll be using it because I've got some calabash nutmeg and oziza. So but anyways, I'll be maybe making use of one or two. That's it. And then have Benny. I'll just be using some, maybe 2 or 3. So here I have garlic, and have seasoning cube. Most of the spices contains seasoning, so I'll just be adding a little bit if need be. Okay, and here is my onion, that's my pepper. I'm just coming back from the market, so I need to do this before I start cooking. Okay, and that's our ginger and salt to taste. Okay, here is our goat meat, guys, and right now I'll be seasoning it with all the seasoning I showed you guys. So you don't have to use all these seasonings. Okay, you can feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, but me, this is what I like to use in my goat meat. All right, and after that I'll stir everything together to make sure that the seasoning gets to all the meat in the pot, and I'll allow that to cook for 10 to 15 minutes without adding water. Guys, here is a mixture of onion, pepper, garlic, and ginger. Okay, so I'll be adding that also. Meat has been cooking for some time now, and right now I'll be adding in more water, and I'll also be adding in the intestine. Okay, I didn't add that from the beginning because it does not have the same cooking time with the rest of the meat. All right. Also test for seasoning, okay, to check and see if you can adjust anyone, like you need to add more salt or more seasoning. All right. So guys, I've added enough water to cook the meat until it's soft, and I've also added intestine, so leave it to cook until everything is soft. If you like adding crayfish to your pepper soup, this is the right time to do that, but I don't like that in my pepper soup. Okay, right now I'll be adding in more pepper, okay, to give it some colors. And yeah, that is it for our pepper soup. We are done and dusted. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.